Respondent authority lordship, on the basis of the CM helpline report, have removed the encroachment on which I was living lordship.
You were, आप क्या कर रहे थे उसमें?
I am be settled by the local corporator on that land, having a house lot, constructed house,
हाँ.
without any opportunity and without any settlement.
डैमेजेस का सूट लगाइए ना जाकर.
But lordship,
अरे पार्षद महोदय ने किस अथॉरिटी से आपको सेटल कर
नहीं.
दिया था?
Being the citizen of India, lordship, I have been settled, but the authority, state authority, to have be resettled me, lordship, before any removal of the encroachment.
सारे
They,
एनक्रोचर्स को रीसेटल करते रहेंगे.
नहीं.
टैक्सपेयर्स का पैसा इसीलिए है.
I have paid the municipal tax on that land of that house, lordship.
अच्छा किया आपने. आप तो मुझे अपना टाइटल बता दीजिए.
I am not a title holder. I am the only encroachment, but
कुछ नहीं.
the authority, lordship, I have paid in my relief also.
पढ़िएगा, रिलीफ पढ़िएगा. देख लिया मैंने.
They may have to rehabilitate the meat, lordship, to
Under
some
which
other
provision
place
of
before any removal of the encroachment. In the
which provision of law every encroacher is required to be rehabilitated?
But they have be given me the time, lordship, that within such period you will be removed.
आपके पास रेमेडी क्या है अब? वो तो हो गया. अगर आपकी ये याचिका
मैं
पहले आती, एक पूरी बात सुन लीजिए प्लीज. अगर आपको हटाने से पहले आती तो ये बात आती कि साहब मुझे नोटिस नहीं दे रहे, मुझे हटा रहे हैं, तो हम उनको रोकते. आज तो आपको हटाया जा चुका है. अब क्या है, आपको डैमेजेस मिल सकते हैं. डैमेजेस के लिए
I am not here for the damages. That direction be issued to the state that they may rehabilitate some other place.
Under which provision of law?
Under the
I am very pained. Personally, I am pained to see that our money, हमारे को तो 1 तारीख को तनख्वाह देने से पहले वो 35% टैक्स काट लेते हैं. Our money is being floundered like this. You show me the provision under which you are entitled for rehabilitation. I'll definitely grant that relief.
Being the citizen of India, and on that place I have paid the municipal tax, and they have obtained that.
Local councillor had settled them at a place where they were living after constructing their house. Treating that settlement to be an encroachment. Though petitioner was paying municipal taxes, he has been removed. Now petitioner is claiming a direction in the nature of by way of issuance of writ of mandamus to rehabilitate the petitioner in an adequate accommodation with all necessary and essential amenities. फ्रिज, टीवी सब लगा कर दें?
नहीं सर, बिजली और पानी बस.
एक WP लगी थी माननीय उच्च न्यायालय में, उसमें इंक्रोचमेंट खाली कराने का आदेश हुआ था.
फुल स्टॉप.
WP 5734 ऑफ
लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर,
वो सर कंप्लेनेंट के लिए हुआ था.
ब्रिंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड, to show from record that there exists any provision for rehabilitation of encroachers. Full stop. Shri Ahadullah Usmani submits that as a citizen of India, he has a right to be rehabilitated. Full stop. However, no provision, legal provision is brought to the notice of this court, and therefore, this court is of the opinion that taxpayers' money cannot be spent on rehabilitation of encroachers, and therefore petitioner is not entitled to the relief sought by him. Full stop. If such reliefs are being granted to the petitioners or the persons like him, then it will amount to court encouraging the aspect of encroachment being made on public property. Full stop. Therefore, the relief being not admissible under any provision of law merely because petitioner happens to be a citizen of the country, comma, petition fails and is dismissed.
The